Have you ever looked at a vehicle and thought there's absolutely no way that thing is hiding a luxury apartment inside? Because what you're looking at right now isn't just a truck, it's a rolling survival fortress designed for people who want to disappear from civilization without giving up comfort. And here's the crazy part. From the outside, it looks like a military-grade machine built to cross deserts, mountains, and places where ordinary vehicles simply give up. But inside, it's closer to a high-end penthouse than an expedition truck. Before we go any further, tell me in the comments, if someone handed you the keys to this beast today, where would you take it first? At first glance, the matte black exterior immediately grabs your attention. Every panel looks purpose-built. Every line looks aggressive. This 6-wheel drive expedition truck was designed around one idea: go anywhere and stay there for as long as you want. The massive off-road tires aren't just for looks. Their oversized footprint helps distribute weight across loose sand, mud, snow, and rocky terrain. Combined with the 6x6 drivetrain, this truck can maintain traction where most vehicles would be stuck within minutes. Powering this concept machine is a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine producing an estimated 700 horsepower and more than 2,000 pound-feet of torque. That's enough pulling power to move a small house down the highway. And considering the size of this vehicle, that's exactly what it's doing. The reinforced chassis underneath is built to carry not only the truck itself, but also a complete luxury living environment. Heavy-duty suspension systems help absorb rough terrain while keeping the cabin surprisingly stable. As you move around the exterior, you'll notice something else: storage, and lots of integrated compartments are built directly into the body, allowing space for tools, recovery equipment, spare parts, outdoor gear, water systems, and emergency supplies. This isn't a weekend camper. This is designed for months of off-grid living, and honestly, that's what makes it fascinating. Most RVs are built for campgrounds. This thing looks ready for the end of the world. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit that like button and subscribe, because we've got a lot more to explore. Now let's talk about energy. One of the biggest challenges of living off-grid isn't food, it's power. That's why the roof of this concept truck is covered with a large solar array capable of continuously charging a massive lithium battery bank throughout the day. That energy powers everything from lighting and refrigeration to entertainment systems, water pumps, climate control, and communication equipment. In ideal conditions, the owner could remain completely independent from external power sources for extended periods. And that means no campground hookups, no generators running all night, just silent energy harvested directly from the sun moving toward the driver's area. Things become even more impressive. The Cockpit combines rugged expedition engineering with luxury automotive technology. Large digital displays provide vehicle diagnostics, navigation camera feeds, terrain information, battery monitoring, water management, and climate controls. The elevated seating position gives the driver incredible visibility over surrounding terrain, and considering the size of this machine, visibility is something you'll definitely appreciate. Multiple cameras placed around the vehicle help eliminate blind spots while maneuvering through tight trails or crowded areas. Now, here's where things get really interesting, because everything we've looked at so far has only been the outside. Wait until you see what's hidden behind those walls, as sections of the living area begin to open. The entire vehicle transforms into a luxury home on wheels. Suddenly, what looked like an armored expedition rig becomes something completely different. The main living space is designed with premium materials, soft lighting, modern finishes, and a surprisingly open layout. Large seating areas create a comfortable space for relaxing after long days on the road. And unlike traditional RV interiors, this concept focuses heavily on residential comfort. You don't feel like you're camping, you feel like you're home. If somebody offered you this truck or a $1 million house, which one would you choose? Let me know below. The kitchen is equally impressive. You'll find full-size countertops, premium cabinetry, deep storage compartments, a modern sink, induction cooking surfaces, and high-end appliances designed for extended off-grid living. Everything is engineered to maximize space while maintaining a luxury appearance, and that's not easy inside a vehicle. Next comes the sleeping area. And this is where most people completely forget they're inside a truck. A large residential-style bed dominates the room, surrounded by storage solutions, ambient lighting, premium finishes, and carefully designed comfort features. Imagine waking up with mountain views one week, a desert sunrise the next, and an ocean coastline after that, without ever booking a hotel. The bathroom continues the luxury theme. Modern fixtures, large mirrors, premium materials, dedicated shower space, intelligent water management systems, everything needed to make long-term travel comfortable. Fresh water, storage filtration systems, grey water management and waste handling systems are all integrated beneath the living quarters. In other words, this truck isn't just built to travel, it's built to live. And perhaps that's the biggest reason people are fascinated by vehicles like this. They represent freedom. The freedom to wake up wherever you want. The freedom to leave crowded cities behind. The freedom to explore places most people only see in photographs. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountain passes, or parking beside a remote lake, this machine gives you something few vehicles can offer: self-sufficiency, capability, and luxury, all in one package. So the big question is, would you actually live full-time in a vehicle like this, or would you still choose a traditional home? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible vehicles, luxury campers, and extreme expedition machines.